Okay, so I'm back home. And I just realized that I did not make an intro, so I'm gonna record an intro now. Hi, you guys. I just realized that I did not make an intro, so I first want to give thanks to the Most High, the universe, and nature for this day and this opportunity. Hi, I'm Ace the Vegan Baby, and welcome to my ski trip. I'm finally going skiing. I'm so excited. You guys don't worry about Deuce. He has a dog sitter coming to stay with him, so he'll be home while I'm gone. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. It's gonna be really short, cute, and sweet because I was doing a lot of sports and I want to enjoy myself, and recording in the snow was kind of hard. I didn't want to mess up my phone. I didn't want to fall with it. I didn't want to break it, so I got what I could. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, here's what I'm packing. Now, I have these two turtleneck shirts that I'm gonna put under all of my stuff, like this jacket for one day, and I have a vest over here for another day. I have these two winter leggings. Which y'all saw in the last video, and to keep me extra warm, I got some North Face thermal leggings. I also have leg warmers to match each outfit, headbands to match each outfit. These are my snow boots, but I won't have them on for long because I will be getting ski boots when I go skiing. And these are the other shoes that I'm bringing just for pictures. So yeah, I'm about to pack everything up and pack like a book and something to write with, you know, something to read, something to write with. And then I'm gonna pack up a few food items to take with me. And yeah. Oh, this is a matching scarf and glove set, and they're just for pictures. That is not gonna keep me warm. So I have my real scarf and gloves over here. I do have thermal socks and gloves for this. I've been skiing for a long time, so I know what to bring. A lot of this stuff is just for pictures. So yeah. Packed.
So here we are on the road. I actually fell asleep, and when I woke up, it was night. This is our hotel. I'll show you a little bit of it. It was the same one we stayed in last time, but here you go.
This is where I'm staying. Right. I should have did this in the morning time. Light would be better because we have a balcony, and you can see the water. Oh, so cold. Yeah, I am obsessed with the shower. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed.
Excuse the squeaking in the background. Deuce is playing with his toy, but here we are driving up to the mountains. It was so beautiful out here. I just had to show you guys what I was seeing. Yes, look at this scenery and the mountains. Oh my goodness, they were so gorgeous. So here's my ski outfit. I was warm. I actually got really hot and my mask got destroyed out there skiing and tubing, but yeah, it was worth it. Here's the mountains, the ski lodge. They were actually having some type of ski competition out here. I don't know what it was, but they were doing flips and tricks and turns, and yeah, it was pretty cool. They didn't do that last year. Here's my dad coming down the mountain. Don't tell him I took this video of him. He just looked really cool, and I wanted to put that in there. Look at him, swoop, swoop, swoop. And here they are doing some flips and tricks. Yeah, don't ask me to do that. I can't. But here I am coming up the rope so I can go down the mountain. So professional. Look at me.
Setting up to take my thumbnail photo.
So after that, I got something to eat. I got a massage because we were going tubing the next day and I was sore. But yeah, here we are driving to go tubing, and again, it was so beautiful out here, so I had to show you what I was seeing.
I heard you. Yep, I had you.
So after tubing, we did go back to the hotel. We had something to eat. The group that we were with, we had a little party in the lounge area, and we went to bed because we drove home early in the morning. But yeah, this is just a little bit of the town and some more of the mountains because they were so pretty. Okay, so I'm back home. And I just realized that I did not make an intro, so I'm gonna record an intro now. So this will be the same outfit that you see in the beginning. But yeah, I just got back home. I'm with my poos. I ended up hurting my leg, you guys. I didn't hurt it skiing. I hurt it right outside of the ski lodge. Like literally, it was ice everywhere in the parking lot, and I slipped and fell on some ice, and I hurt my leg. Of all places, in the parking lot. Because we were doing so many sports, I didn't record much because I didn't want to damage my phone in the snow. My protector case broke, so I didn't want to have my phone out a lot. But I did get a lot of, you know, beautiful scenery from the area that we were in driving, and I got a few clips. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.